Hello, today I'll be talking about the airplane mode being patched and the proof of it. First, I will tell you about what is airplane mode in Brave Frontier. Airplane mode is basically the team players' desynchronization from attacking the mobs. This is especially useful in boss fights, provided if you can solo the boss. It will rack up tons of points as you are the only player doing the damage to the boss. So what is the procedure of this airplane mode? First, you engage the mob or the boss. Then, you go to your home screen and then click the airplane mode. After that, you reconnect to your internet. Wait for around 30 to 45 seconds for stable connection. Then you fight the mob or boss. So now I'll be doing the airplane mode and showing that the airplane mode is actually patched. First, I'll be engaging the mob. As you could see, while engaging the mob, I'll go to the home screen and go on the airplane mode. The airplane mode is active, as you could see. Okay, once the airplane mode is up, when it's your cue to attack, you disable the airplane mode. Now we wait for like around 30 to 45 seconds for a stable connection. Alright, let us wait for 30 seconds. Then after we have reconnected, we will go back to a fight. As you could see, we have disconnected from the server. This proves that the airplane mode has been patched. As we would know, Gumi recently posted on a maintenance notice that they have patched the airplane mode to prevent players from exploiting these bugs to gain more points. It is a good thing that Gumi has resolved this issue in Guild Raid to balance the gameplay and giving players a chance to fight fairly in this game context. This is the end of my video. Bye.